Cho, what's going on, world? It's your man Pat Sees the Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. Right now, man, I am in the yard working on my 2002 Ford V10 F250. Now, I was coming out here to check some fluids. I haven't driven this truck in some time, and I'm looking around everything, and decided to check the oil because that's what we do. Show you guys what I found. Oh no. Now, I don't know how this would happen from sitting, but this is a major problem. Now, I knew I had blew this radiator, or blew a hole in the radiator from the last time I drove it, but I didn't think it actually ran hot. I don't remember it running hot, so I'm gonna do a couple tests and show you guys how you can diagnose what is going on with your heating and cooling system. But being that I already see that there's water and oil mixing, man, I hate to say it, this bad boy is gonna probably need a rebuild because it's already got a lot of miles on here, and I don't want to just swap the motor. I'd rather just do it all the way up if I'm gonna do it, but we'll see. Time will tell. Maybe this thing will get a diesel swap or something. But got a radiator cap off. Let me go ahead and crank this thing up, and we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do is just let it get to operating temperature. What we're going to do is do one of these good old block testers. What you're going to need to do this: combustion leak indicator fluid and engine block tester kit, which consists of essentially a pump, one pump and a tube. You would put the fluid in to the level that's marked, and this come here, and you would squeeze the ball. It's going to be full of fluid. If it has a blown head gasket, or if there's exhaust gases, if this has a combustion chamber, it's going to come up. It's going to turn the fluid from blue to yellow. Let's see what we're doing here. So, as you can tell now, we already got our fluid in there. Don't let it warm up. You can see it's blue. Put our ball in. Squeeze it. Very strange. Got milk and coolant and no exhaust gases being present. But let this idle some more. We'll come back to it. Alrighty. Been here for about a good 10 minutes. Oh yeah. So oil pressure light just came on and it shot straight down to 0. And normally I would be very alarmed, but I know that there's oil in here and the motor doesn't seem like it's gonna blow up. I recently welded this exhaust. Don't hear any knocking and pigging. Strange, I'm having some Ford issues today. Coolant seems to be where it needs to be. Fluid is still blue. does have a yellowish tint. But for how milky that oil looks, you would think it'd be a lot more. Well, either way, ladies and gentlemen, I got my work cut out for me on this big bad boy here. That's how to do a block test. So, I guess I'm about to start ripping this thing apart. I might make a series about it, I may not. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. That's how you do a block test. So, questions, concerns, give me a shout. Working on an old V10 today and trying to figure out where my water is mixing with the coolant. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We got all types of automotive content coming out. And until next time, mi gente, mi promundo beneficio.